What is up guys, Primal Origins here, and in today's video I am going to teach you how to get the cleanest muscle up of your life. So first things first, you've got to get a good clean pull up, and we're not talking about a pull up where you pull and you've got that 6 foot chin, you know, and you come to here, because that's not going to get you a muscle up at all. You have to get a full range pull all the way down, tuck your arm right in by your side, yeah? This is the humerus. The humerus's range of motion is all the way down, yeah? So when you do your pulls, pull all the way down to here, tuck your elbows right in by your side, the bar will become level with your chest. Second thing you're going to need then is to generate some power, yeah? So you need a decent high pull. This is a point where you're pulling and you pull hard enough so that once you get to here, you keep going upwards. So then the bar starts traveling from here down. The minimum requirement, guys, for a muscle up is the bar must hit the bottom of your chest, underneath your titties. If it doesn't hit there, you're not going to be able to muscle up. What will happen is you'll get the dreaded chicken wing, yeah? Like this. Bruh. Do not do that, yeah? It is terrible for your shoulder. It's the internal rotation of the shoulder, and it will absolutely blow your front rotator cuff out. It is one of the biggest injuries that I see from people trying to muscle up incorrectly, is in the front of the shoulders, internal rotators. It's terrible. And then once we have the pulls high enough, you've got to get the transition. Now the transition is a little bit of a tricky one, because same again, if you don't pull high enough, your transition will be you'll throw your shoulder on top of the bar, yeah, like a CrossFitter. Don't be a CrossFitter. High enough, you tuck your elbows right in, you pull the bar down, and then you just roll your shoulders forwards and plant your chest on the bar, yeah? It is a transition, yeah? It's one of the most important things about the muscle up is the transition. Because if you don't do it properly, you'll throw your nasty arm on the bar and you'll wreck your shoulder. Lastly is going to be the low dip. Now I see same again with the pull-ups and 6 foot chins and the half reps. People just repping straight bar dips out, yeah, thinking I can do 25, 30 straight bar dips, but they're only coming down halfway, yeah. A straight bar dip, the bar comes and it touches the bottom of your chest. If it doesn't touch the bottom of your chest, then no rep, yeah. Same with pulls. If you're bragging about doing full range pull-ups and I see your arm only hitting 90 degrees and you've got that mad chin coming out, then no rep. I'm sorry, it's nah. So guys, to wrap this all up, yeah, to get the cleanest muscle up of your life, keep your pull nice and strict, yeah, all the way down. Then start to generate a little bit of power so that the bar is starting to leave where the full range finishes and you carry on going a little bit up. Nice clean transition, tuck your elbows in, no chicken wing, it's a whole rhyme we made, yeah? Elbows in, no chicken wing, elbows in, roll your shoulder girdle forwards, this bit round, plant your chest on top of the bar, and then dip from the bottom of your titties, up, full muscle up, done, and then come down nice and steady obviously. Just, finish it off.